Today we'll be replacing a battery on the iPhone X. Be sure to use the Werx repair mat to keep all screws organized. Some screws have the same size head but contain different lengths and can be easily misidentified during reassembly. Required tools: anti-static mat, anti-static wristband, iPhone X repair mat, heating pad, magnetizer, suction cup, spudger, plastic opening tool, pentalobe and tri-point screwdrivers, safety glasses, and battery pry tool. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any glass shaken free during the repair. Always wear the anti-static wrist strap when repairing a device. This will prevent static charges from being discharged onto the device's logic board, which will cause irreversible damage to the device. Be sure that the Werx repair mat is located above your work surface. Power on your heating pad and set to 75 degrees Celsius. Place the housing onto the heating pad for approximately 2 minutes. The iPhone X has 3 adhesive battery release tabs holding the battery in place. 2 of these tabs are on the bottom and 1 is at the top. Use the plastic spudger to loop the pull tab and lift to pull. Reheat on the heating pad if there is any resistance felt. If the adhesive pull tabs tear, the second option for battery removal using the battery pry tool must be used. Only use the rounded end of the battery pry tool in the safe zones located in the repair guide and as shown in this video. Avoid these danger zones to prevent damage to the wireless charging pad as well as the volume flex cable. Remove any remaining battery adhesive from the frame. Remove the new battery from its packaging. The new battery comes with the battery adhesive pre-installed. Remove the pink protective plastic to expose the battery adhesive. Ensure that the battery flex cable connector has the same fold present in the original battery that was removed. Place the new battery into the housing. Use the battery flex cable connector and the connector on the logic board to align. Do not connect the battery during this process. Apply even pressure onto the battery to ensure the adhesive bonds with the frame. Move the blue protective plastic on the top side of the battery. Locate the frame adhesive. Match the orientation of the adhesive by aligning the front camera and sensor cutouts. Remove the bottom layer of the protective plastic covering the adhesive. This is indicated by the plastic containing a tab. Lay the adhesive onto the device, aligning the cutouts. Use the flat end of a plastic spudger to help apply pressure to bond the adhesive to the frame. Carefully remove the top layer of blue plastic from the adhesive. This will leave a final layer of protective plastic covering the adhesive that will be removed when the screen is connected to the device. First, connect the sensor flex cable connector. Next, connect the display flex cable connector. Next, connect the digitizer flex cable connector. Lastly, reconnect the battery flex cable connector. Place the front panel assembly cable bracket back onto the logic board. Insert the 5 tri-point screws securing the bracket in place. Remember that these screws are different sizes, and placing them into the incorrect location on the logic board can cause irreparable board level damage. Remove the final blue protective plastic piece covering the frame adhesive. Ensure that the adhesive is not lifted during this process. If it is lifted, carefully place back down using the flat end of the plastic spudger. Ensure that the top clips of the screen are properly aligned with the frame. They can be adjusted slightly if they are bent. Insert the top edge of the screen into the frame and press. Carefully run your thumbs down the sides of the screen to press into place. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom of the device next to the lightning connector. Power on the device and test. Contact Werx for any questions related to this repair.